Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back po sa channel ko, Home Cooking with Choice Albior. I'm not a chef, but I love to cook and my passion is cooking. So I want to share with you guys my recipes in my cooking. Good day everybody! Welcome back to my channel, Home Cooking with Choice Albior. It's been a while po. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Hope everybody is feeling well or feeling okay. So for today, of course po, another chicken recipe na naman ang isi-share ko sa inyo. And ito ay ang chicken cordon bleu. So alam ko, yung iba po sa inyo ay gumagawa na po nito and the others ay hindi pa po nakakatry. So sa mga beginners at sa mga hindi pa po nakakatry ng chicken cordon bleu, naku po, sabay-sabay na naman po natin panoorin ang video ko. Kasi po, ang chicken cordon bleu na version ko po, I will not use foil. Instead, I will use banana leaves to wrap our chicken cordon bleu. So, mas healthier than foil, right? So, please watch this video. Okay guys, so first step, let's marinate our chicken. So, make sure na yung chicken nyo is slices na pang cordon bleu. So, ganito siya. Yan. So, pag bumili kayo sa supermarket, suggest nyo na lang na for cordon bleu or same sa palengke. Okay? So, 4 na piraso to. And then, ang mga ingredients natin, of course, ay aside sa chicken, meron tayong grated na garlic. So, option lang naman to. Gusto ko lang kasi na mas masarap ang ating marinated chicken. Kaya I put grated garlic, or you can use powder garlic powder, okay? And then of course, ang ating pampalasa, ang salt and pepper, and of course, meron tayong milk, 1 cup milk. So you can use fresh milk or evaporated milk. Okay, so let's prepare our mixture. Let's put our 1 cup of milk. Ayan. And then of course, our garlic. And then, lastly, our salt and pepper. So, tansyahin nyo muna yung salt. Mas maganda yung kulang kaysa sobra. Mix well. Okay, and then let's put our chicken. So, let's marinate our chicken. Siguro, 1 hour or much better kung more than an hour or overnight para sumiksik talaga ang lasa. Set aside or lagay nyo sa ref. Okay? So, see you later! So, welcome back guys! So, next step, iro-roll na natin ang ating chicken. So, ang ating ingredients or ang ating filling ay meron tayong sliced ham and sliced cheese. Yan lang po yung ilalagay ko sa ating marinated chicken. Okay? And, of course, ang gagamitin kong pambalot po ay banana leaves instead na aluminum foil. So, I think mas healthier than foil ang ating chicken cordon bleu. Okay? So, let's start! So, sa mga beginners po na gustong matry or gustong gumawa ng chicken cordon bleu, this is for you guys. And alam nyo, nag-upload na rin po ako ng chicken cordon bleu na video ko. Kaya, ang version ko na to is 2.0 dahil wrap in banana leaves. Okay? So, ito na yung marinated chicken natin. Yan. Ano lang natin yung pinaka-sauce niya. Dry lang natin. Ay, ano lang natin konti. Okay? Yan. So, mas maganda talaga yung pag ang chicken nyo is flat na flat. Okay? Like this one. Galing ng pagka-hiwa ng titinda sa palengke. Okay? Okay. And then next is let's put naiwalay. Let's put our ham. So pwede rin na dalawang ham. Yung nabili kong ham medyo sobrang nipis. Okay? So, I think dalawang ham. Yan. And then, let's put cheese. Mas masarap, mas madaming cheese. Okay? And then, of course, let's roll. Rollin. Ganyan natin yung chicken sa, side. Okay, let's roll. Roll. Roll nyo lang. Yan. Okay. Ito na lang gamitin natin. Okay. Roll. Roll. And then, side by side guys, talian natin. Okay, and then the other side. Okay. Ayan, so nakagawa na tayo ng isa. Okay, so let's finish our cordon bleu. And then after that, let's steam. Okay? Okay, so gupitin natin yung side by side para mas magandang tignan. Okay guys, so let's steam. Ito na siya. Sana magkasya. Yung 4. Naku, mukhang 3 lang. Wala kasi akong steamer talaga, kundi sa lang, rice cooker. Ayan, hindi kasya. Okay, it's okay. So, unahin muna natin yung 3. Let's steam for 30 to 1 hour. 30 minutes to 1 hour, okay? Okay na to. Okay guys, so next step, let's fry our chicken cordon bleu wrapped in banana leaves. So it's up to you kung kakainin nyo na lang siya na steam. Ready to eat na rin naman ito or you will fry it. Okay, so of course, ang ating ingredients, additional ingredients ay meron tayong flour, meron tayong breadcrumbs, and of course, meron tayong egg. Yung egg, nilagyan ko siya ng salt and pepper para may lasa. Okay? So, try natin tong isa. Okay, here's our chicken cordon bleu. So, first, roll it in egg. Then, sa harina, flour. And then, egg ulit. And then, sa breadcrumbs. Okay guys, ready to fry. Make sure na mainit ang inyong mantika. And mas maganda kung maraming oil kung deep fry. Okay, let's fry now. Okay. Until golden brown, okay na siya. Okay na to. So, let's slice and serve. So, ito na guys, ang aking finished product. Ang chicken cordon bleu wrapped in banana leaves. Healthier than foil. Okay, so, It's eating time! Kakain na kami ni Vince and sana po matry nyo din ito at home. So cheesy! Ayan guys, so sana po sa mga mahilig po sa chicken and paborito ang chicken cordon bleu, sana po matry nyo ang version ko kasi healthier than foil using banana leaves to wrap our chicken cordon bleu. And alam nyo, masarap po siya. Kasi iba din yung yung pag binalot mo yung food sa banana leaves instead na foil. Kakaiba, mas mabango. Okay? So thank you guys for watching and see you again on my next vlog. By the way, sa mga hindi pa po nagsusubscribe, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Joyce Albior, and sana po patuloy niyong supportahan ang next videos ko. Bye for now! Stay safe and keep blessed. Bye!